How to say I don't know in Greek. I don't know. Δεν ξέρω. I don't know. Δεν ξέρω. Now you try. You can also say, I'm not sure. Δεν είμαι σίγουρος. I'm not sure. Δεν είμαι σίγουρος. Now you try. That was the masculine version. This is the female version. Δεν είμαι σίγουρη. I'm not sure. Δεν είμαι σίγουρη. Now you try. You can also say, I have no idea. Δεν έχω ιδέα. I have no idea. Δεν έχω ιδέα. Now you try. And that's how to say, I don't know, in Greek.